Hey everyone, got one more Christmas video for you today. Today, my niece wants to make her first appearance on camera. She's a little shy, she doesn't want to talk, so I'll talk for her. She wants to pick this little 40 millimeter Chinese padlock for you. It is locked up right now, and she's going to try to get that open for you, so sit back and enjoy the ride. Go ahead. She's going bottom of the keyway tension, and she's using a Euro hook from Sparrows. And this is her first pin tumbler that she is single pin picked. So she's pretty green around the gills, but not a big deal. And she got it open. So these little 40 millimeter padlocks made in China. Great training locks for the kids, guys. Everyone, please stay safe. Don't do anything illegal. And please like and subscribe.